So I really enjoy working for McAllen Valley Roofing, not because it's a job, more because this is what I like to do. And McAllen Valley Roofing gives me the opportunity to do what I like to do every day. We have work here in McAllen, we have work in Laredo, we have work in Corpus. They even pay us per diem, they give us a hotel, they give us everything we need to feel comfortable as if we were home, even though we're away. I've learned that McAllen Valley Roofing is really family oriented, for the reason being that we work our 5 days a week and we have our weekends off to spend time with our family, because that's what life's about. Family, friends, and having a great job, and not just a job, a career. And that's what I have with McAllen Valley Roofing. I really encourage anybody to come and try themselves out. You know, it might be your calling to be a roofer, to be a carpenter. It's all up to you to take the first step and come and apply, and I guarantee you, you will not regret it. Here at McAllen Valley Roofing, you start from the bottom and you can grow to the top. You can go as far as you want to go.
What I really like about McAllen Valley Roofing is that they encourage you to want to learn. They encourage you to want to come to work every day. My experience with McAllen Valley Roofing is a game changer. It's like a family here. You don't see no frowns here, you see happy faces. We come in every morning, we high five, we shake hands, you know, we're ready to go. It's not only a job, it's not only an adventure, it's a lifestyle. I encourage anybody that's interested in changing their career lines or their trades to come on in, ask about what we have to offer. They're here to help, and I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed.
The culture here at McAllen Valley Roofing Company is just incredible. It's just such a great sense of team and being part of something special. The career potential here, their career growth potential is incredible. There's really no cap on where you'll end up. It's all up to the individuals. The sky's the limit. If you consider yourself a self-starter, somebody who's strongly motivated, somebody who's up to a daily challenge, I strongly encourage you to apply today. McAllen Valley Roofing Company is a great place to work as we offer great benefits, great pay, and more importantly, quality time with your family. That's what we offer here at McAllen Valley Roofing Company, an opportunity for somebody who wants to grow in a business and learn it from the ground up. This is the place to be.